To create a KDP account, go to your Kiwi browser and type
kdp.amazon.com, sign in. kdp.amazon.com. The first one is written sponsored. Avoid it. Anything that you see sponsored, don't click on it. You're going to be avoiding it. We're going to be click on the second one, which is this. This one now. Click on it.
it may appear either like this or like this.
It will open. Always remember your password and the email you used. So you're going to be inputting the email that we used and the password. So keep me signed in. Sign in.
And it will bring us here.
So here now, they are going to be requesting for your number. You know this is a US company, so
Send OTP and they will send the OTP to you. You copy it here and that's all. Then click on agree. Make sure you read it all.
congratulations, your KDP account has successfully been created. Let me zoom it first so you can see what I'm doing. Update now. Then you click on it. This is 1:58 a.m. So it has finally opened.
These are the place you put in your details like I'm doing now. Look at that business type individual. Click on individual.
See this calendar. I zoomed in so you can be able to see this thing here. So click on it. I'm going to be using April 13. Your country, Nigeria. If you are from Ghana, you put Ghana. If you are from Cameroon, you put Cameroon. If you are from US, depending on where you are from. So just type it, they will bring it out. You click on it. Your legal name. I use the Posita Blessing and address over the north. So put your city. My city, depending on where you are. Imo State. Postal code. This postal code, what you will have to do here. Let me use another browser. Type postal code for Owerri. I'm using this one. I'm going to copy it. Come back, paste it. Delete SS. Phone number. If you are from Nigeria, make sure you use your +234 dialing code. Then this is the number I'm using for this. This is just your details, so you can just navigate your way around this. Save. Anyone you finish, ensure you click on save. Click on save. At least that one has been saved. So let's zoom this app and see how much people made this January. Let's zoom this app. So you can see, look at what people made. Up to $4.7 million. Only for January. Only for this January. So
And that will be all for this video.